Listen carefully. This is how fear of failure sounds in your house. Mama, I can't do this. It's too hard. You do it. This is Meera. Happy, smart, full of energy. But every time something gets difficult, she gives up. As parents, we think, she's becoming lazy. She doesn't focus. But that's not the truth. Meera is not lazy. She's trained to avoid struggle. One evening, Meera again says, I can't do this. This time, her mother pauses. Okay, try for 2 minutes. I'm right here. Meera tries, gets stuck, feels frustrated. She looks at her mother. But her mother doesn't jump in. She just sits, present, calm. This is the moment most parents miss. The struggle moment, where confidence is actually built. After some time, Meera solves a small part. Her mother says, See, you figured it out. No lecture, no correction, just belief. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna doesn't say make life easy. He teaches the mind to stay steady, even when it's hard. So here's what we change. Next time your child says, I can't, don't take over. Say, try a little more, I'm here. Don't solve everything. Help only after effort. Don't say, this is easy. Say, this is difficult and you are learning. Create small struggles every day. Slightly difficult homework, a puzzle they can't solve instantly, a game where they lose. Then ask, what did you try? Not, did you win? Because confidence doesn't come from success. It comes from surviving difficulty. A few days later, Meera gets stuck again. She pauses and tries again. No, I can't. Don't raise kids who say, I can't. Raise kids who say, I'll try. You don't build strong children by making life easy. You build them by teaching them how to handle hard.